good evening. Welcome back again to my channel. Sorry if I didn't uploaded any new video tutorial for past a week ago. I'm just getting busy. So yeah, for today we're gonna try the Nude by Nature product. So this is actually an Australian brand, and then they're pretty good. Like some of the product is organic. So if you have sensitive skin, this is pretty good for you. So yeah, I bought a lot of stuff because they have like promotion. So I've been watching this product for quite a long time, but cost money, so I can't afford to buy it in the full price. So luckily I got 50% off plus extra discount also. So anyway, I'll be using except with the eyeliner, all the product that I've been using today is under by Nude, from brushes, not including the eyelashes. So yeah, so I already put moisturizer earlier and then the spring water. So we will start with the foundation, which is a primer, sorry. So I have a lot of stuff from Nude by Nature. So we'll try how good their product is. So I have the airbrush primer. So it's mineral primer. So I'm just gonna put some in my area. I'm a bit haggard today, so I was working the entire week, plus trying to get into university to study again. So yeah, well, here I am trying myself. Alright, so next will be our foundation. So I'm gonna use this. So they have like a free kit. Oh yeah, here's this one. So we have like a I'm gonna try the soft sand. So it's WA soft sand. So I'm just gonna try that one actually. I normally use ivory or something like natural color, but we'll try the soft sand first. Alright. Oh, I used the brush from Beyond Shadow of a Doubt. So it's Love. This is not Nature by Nude by Nature brush. I just use it for my foundation. So this is from Beauty Hall. It's Love 2. It didn't say what kind. It's just BNA and then Love 2. Yeah, so I just use this one because it's actually number 8. So yeah, Nude by Nature. It's very soft. So that's done. Alright, next we're going to, I will form my eyebrow first. And then let's see, so what's this one? So sorry. So I don't have the Nude by Nature eyebrow. So we'll be just using the Maybelline. So yeah, it's the black. It just said black. So yeah. Sorry, temporarily using that one. So that's already done, guys. I'm gonna just try the other one. Fix it. Alright, so all our eyebrow is already finished. We're going to put the concealer now. So we'll be using the, of course, Nude by Nature concealer. So yeah, that's yeah. So it's a liquid mineral concealer. Really can see. Okay, so we're just gonna. So I'll be using the Nude brush again. That's a brush, and then it's actually eye definer brush. So I'll be using that one for my concealer. So just putting this one underneath in my eyebrow, just to highlight a little bit. So I'm not sure what color is this one. No, there is no color attached. So just putting that one. So just to lift up a little bit your eyebrow. Alright, so that's done. We just let it dry. So there's leftover. I'll just put this one in this section here. And then you just let it dry a little bit, the one in the eyelid. So for the top one, I'll be using this sponge again. You So after that, we're gonna do start call it our eyebrow already, the eyeshadow. So I'll be using just this simple one, simple color. So this is a Nude by Nature. So I like, you know, the packaging is really nice, very shiny. Looks like very expensive. Oh, hang on, I thought it's made from Australia. It's actually made in USA. So yeah, well, there you go. So this palette is all 3 rows. So they have chest. So I haven't used that one actually. So they have lighter, next, and then the darker one. So we will be using the light first. So I'm not gonna use that. I'm not gonna use this one because it's too little. I'll be using not the one. So I have. So you need to have like a different brush. You got that brush, and then you need to have your own blending brush also. So I'll be using this blending brush. I'll use this one as my blending brush. So to start, I'll be using this color. So I use the blending brush. It's actually alright. I know we're using different brush, not the blending brush. I use the same brush that I use for my concealer. So this is from Beauty Hall Lab to be an eyeshadow brush. So I'll just use this one, and I use the other one as my blending brush. So yeah, so that it won't, you know it already. It's so hard to say it in English, goodness me. So I'm using this color, just the lighter one. Then that one, after with that, I'm gonna use need to have another brush again. Yep, there you go. So the next color will be this one. Yeah. I'm gonna use my blending brush now. So yeah. So just blend it. Just blend it, and then so our look today is very natural look. So that's quite orangey, and then Next one, we'll be using a different brush again. So we'll go to the darker color. Actually, I use the darker color. This one, yeah. Just do that one in the edge. Just take out all the powder. Alright, just in this section. So make sure you just use in the I'm trying to blend it. We'll see. So you have that one, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer. Where is that? Did I use? Again, in just in the this section in here. So yeah, when you put it, make sure you be very careful, because so just put it in the wrong place too. Difficult to put it in, but it's all good. Actually, I'm gonna use this color, the white, the first color. So I'm just putting that one. I need to use this small brush, so just putting that one. You can use your finger, but I just use this one. I'll just blend it actually. Now I'll blend it. So I want the darker one to put inside, so just blend it. So that's the one, guys. Actually, I used the blending brush, so that will be our blending brush now. Just blend it properly, right? So I'll put another dark color in here just to make it really dark. That's the color, the darker one. So good now. Alright. So after our, where is it? Alright, so that's finished our eyebrow. I have extra. We're just gonna use our mineral. This one is a, what's that one? So I'll be using Nude by Nature. It's finishing mineral powder. So yeah, I'll be using this. Maybe I use this one. I'll be using the mineral brush, this one. So I'm just gonna put that one. So what you are going to do is just stack a little bit in here, in the, how do you call it, cover, and then you just put, and then make sure you take out all the remaining powder and just put it in here. Now we'll be in here, so we're gonna use the same palette, eyeshadow palette. Yeah, and then I'll be using different brush. So of course we will start the darker one first. This area in here, I don't know how do you call it. So same Nude by Nature. It's a auto brown. So oops. Yeah, so that's finished. Next will be our eyeliner. So I'm gonna try a different eyeliner. Let's see first this one. Oh, so I have this eyeliner. I bought it online. So it's actually a Australis brand liquid liner. So we will going to try this one. So it's a it's just liquid eyeliner. I don't know what color. It's black color. So we're going to try this one. We'll see if it's good. Come on. So this area, the right area side is already done, guys. We're gonna do the other one. Actually, it's pretty good, the eyeliner. So yeah, hang on. Alright, that's done, guys. Our eyeliner. I'm just gonna add on a little bit of eyeshadow again because I mark up a little bit on this side. So just to cover up a little bit. And then using it one little. Right, so that's finished. We're gonna put, just gonna set first the powder that we put in earlier. Alright, so we're gonna put the how do you call it? It's not in my mind. Eyelashes. So it's just like normal eyelashes that you can buy anywhere. Alright, so we're going to put the glue in it. Just try. So it's up to you. If you're comfortable using this thing, you can use that one, or you can use your hand. So it's all up to you actually. So we're just putting this one first. I'm gonna curl first. If you're rushing, this is what will happen. You need to curl your eyelash first. And then just putting that one. Okay. I'm not comfortable using this one, so I use my hand. Okay. It's already dry, so yeah, that's the problem. Let's try, that will be the problem. It's finished. We're just gonna put the other one on the other side. So our two eyelashes is already on, guys. Next, I'm gonna put a mascara. It's just to set the both my eyelashes and the other eyelashes. So this is Nude by Nature, 01 Black. So just put that one quick. It's really nice, the product. I like it. Oops. So we're done. We're gonna do the contour now. So contour. So lotion. So I have this one, the contour palette. So it's Nude by Nature. It's contour palette. Yeah. And then, so you have different colors in here. You got this one, and this one. So we'll be using the dark color. Oops. I use this brush as for my contour. What's this one? Well, it doesn't matter. I don't want to use that one because it's a brand new. Just use this one for our contour. So we use the dark color to just tap in this area. Right. Done. Then we're gonna use our contour is done. We're gonna use the blush. So our blush is as usual. Oh, I don't have the blush. That's bronzer. So I'm gonna use a blush. I'm gonna get a blush. So we're going to use as usual Nude by Nature. It's a virgin blush color shade. So I'm gonna use this brush, a very cutie brush. So it's also under by Nude by Nature, the brush. So just get some. So we're done with our blush. We're gonna use highlighter now. So our highlighter is, so it's from Nude by Nature again, and then it's 01 Champagne. So we're just using this brush from the powder. Actually, you can use just your hand. So I'm just gonna apply actually this one. Just this. Nice. Then I'm just gonna use a small brush. So I'll use this one, the tip one. So I just have a small piece. That's that section. So that's done. Finish, 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 finish. So we'll be using different lipsticks. So this lipstick is from Essence. So it's actually shade 03. So that's nude color. So I just use this one. I'll be using 2 different lipstick right now. So we'll see. So that's first color. So that's all 3 Essence. And then the next one is Flower Duo Flower. So it's a, what color is it? Melon Kiss. So we're gonna use this lipstick first. So actually their lipstick is really good. Can last the entire day. So even if you eating, after eating, you still have the lipstick. And then the lip gloss. So that's our, we're all done. We're all done, guys. So that's our product. Finish. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoy this video, and then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos to come. And then thank you. Have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.